Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade, only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 11:17. I was in this trade for 50 minutes. Let's recap. This is PLTR on the 1 minute chart. So the green line is the low of the day back then, the previous day. I don't know if it was the last day, Friday. Also, this is the high of the previous day or some day back then. I think this is Friday. Yes. So the reason I went bearish is because I was looking for a bullish setup. I never came closer to this and never actually gave me a clean setup, a clean bullish setup. So and when it come closer to the previous high, it never actually touched to retest, but then it formed a new high. So it touched reject, came over here, forming this pattern here, and I enter on this bar. My stop was up here, my target was down here. It took 50 minutes to hit my target. So that's the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and execute without forcing anything. I exit based on my rules, no emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stay disciplined. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.